Today I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your domain's email routed through Zoho, and your messages will be far less likely to end up in spam. We'll work entirely inside your domain's DNS settings in GoDaddy, and I'll explain what each change does so you know exactly why you're doing it. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and head to the DNS settings for the domain you want to use with Zoho Mail. If you're not sure where that is, look for a section called My Products, then find your domain name and click something like DNS or Manage DNS. That page is where you'll see all your DNS records, including things like A records, CNAME records, and MX records. This DNS area is what tells the internet where to send your website traffic and your email. Once you're on the DNS management page, you're going to add the 3 Zoho Mail MX records. MX stands for Mail Exchange, and these records tell the world which mail servers should handle email for your domain. Look for an option to add a new record. Set the type to MX. For the name or host field, enter the @ symbol, just a single character, @. That symbol is shorthand for your root domain, and it means this MX record will apply to all email for your main domain. For the value or points to field, type mx.zoho.com. Then set the priority to 10. Priorities control the order servers are tried. Smaller numbers are tried first. When everything looks right, save that record. Next, repeat the process for the second MX record. Add another new record, choose MX as the type, and again set the name to @. This time, in the value field, enter mx2.zoho.com. For the priority, use 20. This record acts as a backup to the first one, so if the main Zoho server is unavailable, mail can still be delivered. Save this record as well. Now add the third MX record. Create another MX record with the name set to @. For the value, enter mx3.zoho.com. Set the priority to 50. This is an additional fallback server, giving Zoho multiple options to receive your mail. Go ahead and save this record too. At this point, your domain knows to send email to Zoho, but we also want to help keep your messages out of spam folders. To do that, we'll add an SPF record. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, is a type of TXT record that tells other mail providers which servers are allowed to send email for your domain. In your DNS settings, add a new record and choose TXT as the type. For the name, again use @ so the rule applies to your whole domain. In the value field, enter this exactly as shown. Vs SPF1 include zohomail.com. All this line says, for this domain, Zoho Mail is authorized to send email, and everything else is not. When you're sure it's typed correctly, save the TXT record. Once all of these records are added and saved, keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to update across the internet, often anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours. After waiting a bit, you can go back into your Zoho Mail admin panel and use their verification or DNS check tools to confirm everything is connected properly. That's all you need to do to connect your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail and improve your email deliverability using MX and SPF records.